Hello everybody, this is Madi with Brinkley RV, and today we are back in the studio with a brand new addition to the Model IX lightweight travel trailer. This is the 25X. So to cover some of the basic specs of the 25X, first and foremost, our overall length is going to come in at just under 30 feet at 29 feet 11 inches. Our dry weight will be around that 6,900 pound marker, and then the gross vehicle weight rating will be around 8,500 pounds as well. Our tank sizes on the 25X, your fresh tank will be 46 gallons, your gray at 70 gallons, and then your black tank at 35 gallons. So taking a look at our exterior storage, first and foremost, we have these nice insulated baggage doors. They're all slam latch, and then we have a nice magnet up here to make sure you can hold that bag door up without having to actually physically hold it. Taking a look inside, we have a nice coin garage flooring in the pass-through, which is going to help keep your cargo in place and not move all around. Nice felt wall on the side here to help keep your stuff protected as well. And then on the side, you'll find your disconnect switches, as well as your front cap lights, your pass-through overhead lights, and then a nice GFCI protected outlet as well. You'll also find a cable insert here, and then we also include a nice little compartment that allows you to run any hoses through without having your bag door open. One last thing to note about your pass-through storage is that it is going to be heated, and then also your underbelly is going to be fully enclosed and heated as well. Coming up to the front cap of the 25X, first and foremost, you're going to be wowed by this beautiful fiberglass front cap. It allows us to be a little bit more aerodynamic, having this be the fiberglass molded cap. Beautiful lights in the cap as well, and then of course our automotive grade seals and graphics package as well. Now up on your tongue here, you've got room for two 20-pound LP tanks with the LP IQ gauges, a nice electric tongue jack with a light so you can actually see when you're hooking up to your tow vehicle. And of course, we include the Demco Easy Latch coupler here to make hooking up to your tow vehicle an absolute breeze. Now, for hooking up to your water source, we make it super easy by incorporating the Nautilus panel here. So all you do is follow this diagram, depending on what you're trying to do with your water source. It makes it really easy. And then here you can see we have our brass fittings. So this is something that we brought to the industry as a first, using brass fittings on all of our plumbing. We want to make sure that you have confidence in your plumbing system in your RV, because we know leaks have been a well-known issue in the industry altogether. Off to the right, you'll see a black tank flush, which is really nice to have. And then, of course, we're going to include some more GFCI outlets, a nice light so you can see what you're doing. And then behind the Nautilus panel, through those sliding doors, you'll be able to find access to all of your plumbing, a bunch of your 12-volt wiring, which we include on a harness. So it's all going to be labeled, loomed, and color-coded. And then it's also pre-tested by our vendor as well. That was another industry first that we began at Brinkley. Before we move on, I do want to point out that we include a hot and cold water spray port here. We do provide you that spray hose as well. And then also we have a QR code that will lead you to our Model IX Owner's Hub. This is a great resource to learn any how-to videos or just basic information about your new IX. And then of course down below we are going to include another hatch to run any hoses through so you can have this baggage door closed. Moving along on the off-door side of the 25X, you'll be able to find your sewer hose compartment here so you can store your sewer hose. And then you'll also find a single point termination valve with that clear cap. So we're making it easy. You don't have all these different hookups for cleaning out your tanks. Up above, you'll notice that we do have a 50 amp shore power. This is going to be our second IX model that utilizes 50 amp because we option that second AC for you. You're also going to notice that we have the manual stabilizer jacks. We do now prep for electric stabilizer jacks if you wish to add this aftermarket. So moving to the rear of the 25X, first up you'll find your rear ladder, so you can get up, check your seals, clean off any debris on that slide on your travel days. You'll have a 250-pound weight capacity on this ladder. Up above, you'll notice you have the Furrion backup camera prep. So in case you want to take that and install it aftermarket, you absolutely can. We have all the wiring there for you. Underneath the unit, you'll find a spare tire. That's a Rainier brand. We provide this for you with an upgraded spare tire. That way, any accidents that may happen on the road, we've got you covered. This unit here is a proto. One addition that we're making to production units is that there's going to be a rear storage compartment here. It'll be exterior storage with the light in there, and then it's going to be underneath that trifold sofa that's on the inside. Now, taking a look at door side features, let's talk running gear. So first and foremost, we give you 15-inch Hankook Vantra tires. They're going to be 10 ply, so they're E-rated. And then we also include 44-pound tandem axles with that road armor equalizer to give you a more stable ride. Moving up, you can find your 30K BTU furnace, and then also a tankless water heater, so you can take those long hot showers when you're hooked up to your water source. Also, on your door side, you're going to find an LP Quick Connect up here, all under a 17-foot awning, so you can hook up your grill all under the awning. While it's raining, you can still enjoy a nice cookout. We have a nice GFCI protected outlet here as well, so if you're going to hook up any appliances or maybe a TV, you can do so. Now, taking a look at our entry door, we've got two sets of the nice composite lightweight entry steps. They're super easy to clean, nice and grippy so you won't slip while you're walking in and out on those wet days. Nice extended grab handle that folds over if you want, and then a nice 28-inch wide door. So this is an extended width door. We feature the screen defender if you've got pets that you take camping with you. And then also we provided an entry door window with a shade so you can have some additional privacy, but if you got someone knocking, you can peek out and see who it is. Lastly, we give you the friction hinge on the door, so if it's super windy, your door's not going to slam shut on you. Now let's go take a look at the interior. Walking into the 25X, you'll see it's a great spacious floor plan, perfect couples coach with the occasional guest because you have nice cross-conversational seating and a pull-out couch here. Great view of the TV and then a nice spacious kitchen, pass-through bathroom, and then a private bedroom with a second entry. When we first walk into the 25X, up in this cabinet door here, you'll find some storage and then also your Lippert OneControl panel here. So this is going to be compatible with the OneControl app. You can control your lighting in the unit, your interior and your awning light, control your slides, and then you can also see your battery and tank levels as well. You can also turn on your water pump from here. This here is going to be your max air fan control, so it'll control the max air fan in your kitchen. Below, you'll find another QR code leading to that owner's hub I mentioned prior, and then our QR code to our Happy Camper roadside assistance partnership. All of your upper cabinets are going to feature soft close, and then below you're going to find some nice window space. Our windows are going to be the frameless Euro style windows, so they're going to open up to 6 inches to allow good breathability and ventilation in the unit. They're also going to be tinted so you get a little bit of privacy. You have nice end tables on both sides of this beautiful love seat here, which doubles as a trifold sofa. That mattress size is going to come in at 52 by 70 inches, so you get a full size sleeping area here. Now moving into your slide out, you'll find your theater seats directly across from your 40-inch smart TV. You've got cup holders here and a nice storage area, and then you're going to have your reclining lever right here. Push back and you can get nice and comfortable for the movie night. Speaking of movie night, 40-inch smart TV like I mentioned, but it is going to come on a articulating mount. So if you're sitting on that love seat, you can still get that prime view. Now for movie night, I like it dark, so you can utilize our integrated blackout shades, which have a reflective thermofoil layer on the outside to get that good viewing. You'll find a nice hardwood top right here, and then you have your built-in dinette here. So it looks hidden, looks just like a little bit of a mantle, but you can actually lift up, pull out to bring out your dining table. We give you 2 folding chairs with the unit. Nice storage drawer for any goodies, whether it's utensils or a junk drawer, maybe it's a game drawer. And then below, you'll find more storage, and then our Soundcore Boom 2 speaker. So this is a Bluetooth speaker that can actually connect to the TV if you want. You can take it to the beach. It is waterproof, and fun fact, it floats too. Has a turbo bass option, which really gets the party going. Up above, you'll notice the 18K variable speed chill cube by Furrion. This is going to be our standard AC. It's going to be ducted in your living room and kitchen. Now we do offer a second AC option in the bedroom. Great thing about these ACs is that there's also a heat pump included, so you can get that electric heat without running your propane for your furnace. Moving into the kitchen, we've got some great space here. Great countertop space, so you're going to notice that we upgraded to solid surface countertops in the kitchen. Beautiful single big sink here with the stainless steel and tough coat on there, so it's going to protect the sink should any pots or pans scratch it up. Nice residential features here and a window to look out while you are doing your dishes. Below in the cabinet, we do offer dishwasher prep that can be added aftermarket. Beautiful cabinet space here. Residential size microwave that is going to be a convection microwave since we don't offer a oven in the iX series. 3-burner propane cooktop here, and then plenty of storage below. This here is going to be our trash can that pulls out. You've got trash bag storage as well. And then up above, Brinkley DNA with our paper towel stow and go caddy here. All of our drawer construction is going to be dovetail construction, so you have that sturdy construction. You can have some more weight in those cabinets and drawers as well. Now moving to your pantry here, nice space. You do have an electric outlet in here should you wish to put maybe a coffee maker away in the cabinet, and then more storage below, all next to your 12-volt, 10 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator here. Now a little bit more on construction. Another Brinkley DNA item is our Craft Sense construction. So you'll notice, especially on our fascia, which is going to be your slide out trim, around your windows, you're not going to see all the putty marks and nail holes from applying the fascia. This is because we install a unique way. Our engineers are fantastic and they give us that really good residential look, fit and finish that we're striving for. Below, you're going to notice your slide. You do have a little bit of a toe kick here, but it's nice and tucked away so you don't really run into it. And then going into our floors on the iX series, it's going to be a fully composite floor. So you don't have to worry about any mold, mildew, rotting of the subflooring in your unit. Now stepping into the bathroom here, we have the pass-through style bathroom, which is absolutely wonderful when you have guests staying with you. You can close off one side while still having access through the bedroom or vice versa. Starting off, we have some nice counter space here, plenty of space for all your makeup for the ladies. And then below we have some cubby storage, nice under the sink storage here. One thing to mention is that we do have water shutoffs at every fixture in the unit. Again, we're looking out for you in those plumbing situations that you might have some emergencies. Up above, nice medicine cabinet storage as well. And then a nice sink here that's going to have that tough coat liner again so you don't scratch it up. You'll also find a porcelain foot flush toilet here, and we also give you a nice toilet paper holder that's already installed. Behind, you'll find these nice hooks that can tuck away, perfect for your towels. And the nice linen storage here. You can include these baskets so you can get nice and deep into the storage compartment, or just roll up your towels and put them in here. A nice 30 by 36 one-piece fiberglass shower. It's absolutely perfect size, still good headroom. We do give you a little bit extra there, and then we do give you the hand wand on this shower as well. Now, also up above, you're going to notice the max air fan here. So we give you not one, but two of these, one in your kitchen and then one in your bathroom, because this is going to be where you're getting the most condensation and humidity in here. So we want to help you ventilate all that out. Also, you'll notice that that AC will be ducted in your bathroom and bedroom as well, should you choose to not include that second AC. Now we're in the bedroom. First and foremost, you get a private bedroom in this floor plan, which is really nice. We have a 60 by 80 true queen bed here that's going to have the 7-inch memory foam bamboo mattress. Nice padded headboard behind, and then you also have nice cubby storage and nightstands on both sides of the bed. You're going to find these night lights that have a USB port that will be 12 volt, and then you also have your 110 outlets with USB and USB-Cs on both sides as well. So these nightstands are CPAP ready. They're a nice wide nightstand. And then of course we're going to give you hanging storage and cubby storage for all of your goodies. So nice hanging on both sides, cubby up above, and then a nice single drawer below. Up above, more overhead cubby storage. Beautiful lighting for an RV bedroom that is going to be dimmable. And then also, this is going to be where that second AC prep is. If you choose not to install that second AC, we do give you a nice electric fan there, just so you can still get some ventilation in the bedroom. Now there's always more hidden storage in a Brinkley, and that's going to be under your bed, where we give you nice storage compartment back here. That's going to be where we actually put your folding chairs that I mentioned earlier. They're going to come in a nice storage bag that zips up. And then of course you've got 4 drawers here, all dovetail construction. Now when you're laying down, you're going to have the perfect view of the TV should you install one. We do include a TV prep area here, so there's a backer in this wall for you to mount up a TV, and then we include the satellite and cable inserts as well as an outlet as well. More hanger storage here, and then we give you that second entry so you can sneak out if you've got guests staying in the living room. Thank you for tuning into this new walkthrough of the 25X. If you're looking for any more information on this model, be sure to contact your local Brinkley dealer, or you can visit brinkley.rv.com. Thanks for watching and happy camping.